Alright, you guys. This is a half-ass Saturday. And I'm telling you what, I don't feel like doing nothing. Just got through working down 6 days. I don't feel like doing nothing.
Stop me! You're gonna have to kill me!
Three, Slappy Adventure. 1, 2, 3. Slappy Adventure.
Tell people all the time, the ones that ask me, you gonna ride, you gonna ride, you gonna ride. I ride to work every day this time of year, every day. So it's about 40 miles one way. So I'm putting about, some days, 500 miles a week on a motorcycle. And I worked 6 days this week, 2 weeks straight, and I don't do that ever. My ass is kicked. I ain't finna do shit. I ain't finna ride nowhere. I'm finna change the oil on my 109. It needs to be ridden. I already got the AMS oil and everything down here. It needs to be ridden, y'all. So yeah, let me back these bikes out. And instead of riding today, I'm gonna change some oil today. Come on. Alright, you guys, let's change the oil on this puppy. I'm gonna start riding this damn thing. Ain't no need in having it if I ain't gonna ride it. I ain't gonna sell it evidently. She's dusty. 06 M109R. Look at that, just look 49,000 miles on it. Been an awesome bike. Can't complain about it. Put back wing on it. Bags, 60 bar. Just change oil. Now we got the oil dumped. Both drain plugs are out. I always check to see if there's any metal shavings on the magnets. There are not. Oh, the oil filter is a little tricky. I am using AMS oil in all my motorcycles. Using AMS oil in all my bikes here lately. So, oh, let's take it down there. I use that. Works pretty good for me. Clean off the drain plug, put a new crush washer on it. The other drain plug in the bottom of the damn oil. Ooh. We'll have to stick my hand in there and fish it out. 2 drain plugs, V-twin. I don't know if you can see them 2 drain plugs or not. 1 drain plug, 2 drain plug, filter. It's about the same. I don't see much difference in either one of them. Who knows? Who knows? It's a little tricky putting the oil in the 109, not really putting it in, but getting the proper level. They tell you to 3 quarts and da-da-da-da-da, and gotta daggum crank it up, let it run for a minute, turn it back down, and doggone a whole bunch of magic tricks you do to them. I don't know. I still ain't perfected that, but I've been having this thing since 06, so I guess I've been doing something right. I still like to put a little oil in my new filter before I install it. I don't know where I got that from, but wherever I got it from, doggone it, it was back in high school, back when I first started driving. Somebody told me to put a little oil in it, and then put a little on the old ring, so when you spin it on there, it won't I'm sure y'all leave it in the comments if I'm doing it wrong. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing put on. All right, you guys, we got the oil change on the M109. Got the final drive oil change. She's ready for whatever. I think I'm gonna take it to. I'm debating on which one of these bikes I'm gonna ride to traveling tall, run to the hills. Which one you think? The Go Getter. Might hook up the trailer and show off a little bit. What y'all think? I might do that. Hook that trailer up to that old Go Getter. Might ride the M109R. Maybe I'll ride that V-twin so I can kind of fit in with them Harley boys just a little bit, not much, just a little bit. So I ride the 109R, the Go Getter with the trailer, with the expensive luggage, or ride the doggone F6B. I ain't made my mind up yet, y'all. Yeah, I might just pull out the Oldsmobile and just be an oddball. Show up to a bike event in a car.
That's brilliant.
I got options, y'all. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.